जो रात में कांड होता है उसके बारे में
Beware.
सुबह सुबह सिर्फ औरतें ही ज्यादा बात करती
Yes, I do know what happened that night.
How you get tempted?
हैं। रात में जो कुछ भी कांड हुआ है
I will not tell you right now.
उसके बारे में सुबह सुबह ज्यादा बात करने का क्या फायदा।
रात गई बात गई, forget it.
The film is about what actually happened one drunken night among friends.
The film is about a party and the after effect of the party.
Saurabh gave me this idea about this man who goes to a party with his wife, and there he meets a woman who's very attractive, and then they start flirting, and then next morning when he wakes up, he can't remember.
Rajat making a mistake, and I'm the mistake that he thinks he's made.
तो रात में जो कुछ भी कांड हुआ है उसके बारे में सुबह सुबह ज्यादा बात करने का क्या फायदा। तो हमें ये पता लगता है कि जो रात में कांड होता है उसके बारे में सुबह सुबह सिर्फ औरतें ही ज्यादा बात करती हैं।
Oh, it was fantastic. You can see it in the film. You can actually see it in the film because we had so much fun.
Saurabh, I've had one of the most enriching relationships creatively. I've acted in 4 of his films. He's acted in my films. I've written for him. He has written for me. So it's really, and I love Saurabh a lot, and I think he's one of the favorite directors that I've worked with, because every time, first of all, he improvises a lot, which I like. So he lets his actors free to improvise, to suggest, and then he's able to guide the actors in such a way that you say, my God, why didn't I see this? I should have seen this. But no, Saurabh lets you on a path which just gives that extra edge to the performance.
I love Saurabh. I totally love Saurabh's work. I admire him as a writer. Immense respect for him as a director. And he had written a serial which we had done called Mrityudan. And I think that was a really fantastic serial. So I had known him from before, and I know he has tremendous potential, tremendous capabilities.
It wasn't difficult to justify these actors because all the actors, they came after the script was written.
I think he's fantastic. He's also a friend, and it's very, very comfortable to work with Saurabh. उनके बारे में जितना मैं बोलूँ उतना कम है because he just deserves endless praise.
By now, I have done 3 films with Neha. She is not what you see her on the screen. She is really a very, very warm person. The great thing about Neha, whenever she comes on the set, truly I'm telling you, and my experience in all the 3 films is like you suddenly, you get a bright smile, and suddenly the whole atmosphere of the shooting changes. And we used to wait when Neha is shooting with us. We'll have great fun.
He's a wonderful, wonderful director. He's a great writer. He's a fantastic actor. Now many people know that he's a wonderful lyricist as well, and he sings very well. He has a great sense of music. So he has everything that a good director needs to have within him, and it's an absolute joy working with Saurabh.
Well, working with Vinay was a great experience. It was very tough to convince him because he wanted to do the role which Rajat did. So he was saying that I want to play Rahul, and we were telling him, no, please play Amit. And he said no, but this is that, and all that. जो actors का जो एक conflict होता है वो उसका होता रहा. And then finally we said, just shut up, do the film. And he said, okay, I'm doing the film. And he did the film, and he's fabulous in the film. रात गई बात गई, रात गई बात गई,
रात गई बात गई.
जो बात बीत गई है उसको फिर बीती जाने दीजिए तो अच्छा है कि नहीं? Let life move on.